Roger, loud and clear. Hearing you also. Have you done your roll for the radar yet? That's negative. I'm afraid I'm not going to make it, Gordo, unless I can get the attitudes down close. Roger, your attitude's all right at 0 now. Roger, the gyros are caged. Roger, tape loud and clear. How many? Loud and clear. I'm going back to AAG. AAG. Hey, Roger. You ready for your 2 Bravo turn? Roger, send 2 Bravo. 014930. Roger, 014930. Roger, and 2 Charlie time is nominal. Okay, stand by 1. Enter that way, Air Force 500. Next time I just checked 150, please over. Okay, Gus, my status is good. My control mode is flyable wire. The gyros are still caged. Maneuver is off. Fuel is 6.2 and 6.8. A little ahead on fuel consumption. Fuel quantity light is on. The excess cabin water light is on. I'll try and get auto mode here directly. Roger, could you give us the blood pressure? Roger, blood pressure coming now. The iOS voice is out, so you stand by. Roger, I heard iOS calling, but I couldn't raise it. Roy 7, he's a normal balloon. Roger. And are you going to give me a mark for that? Roger, 137, Roger. In 2 minutes, Echo will be almost directly overhead. Roger. Roger, suit steam is 6.9 and cabin is plus 11. That dropped down very suddenly when the excess cabin water light came on. I think I'm going to I'll try to increase water flow 1 more time. If that doesn't work, I'll drop down to closed and start over again. Roy 7, cut back your cabin water. Okay, cabin water going back. I'll start now at 2. This is 20 degrees below launch value. Roger, I give you a recount. Roger. Okay, I'll give you another count. Be my guest. Roger, loud and clear. Roger, everything looks good down here. But for your view, you better watch that a little bit. Roger. So that is negative. Stand by. Balloon deployed. Now, the balloon is out. yards back, barely visible. And now wait, here is a line. That was the cover. The balloon is out. That is Roger. There is very little acceleration here. The balloon is partially inflated. It's not tight. I've lost it at this moment. Wait one, I'll give you a better reading shortly. There is an oscillation beginning. An oscillation in the balloon? Yes. The line is still not taut. I have some pictures of the line just waving out in back. I would say we have about a 1 cycle per minute oscillation. It's both in pitch and yaw. How many cycles per minute? 1 cycle per minute, or maybe 1 cycle in a minute and a half. The moon is just above the horizon at this time. And a picture of the balloon. Just got a washer to put away. Flight, Roger, Bermuda flight, reading you loud and clear. Switch your water switch off. Roger, phase shifter off. Phase shifter is off. Phase shifter is on now. Roger, Capcom, what's control mode? Fly-by-wire. Flight on your radar. Hello, Bermuda flight, reading you loud and clear, homie. Run and blood pressure, please. It's loud and clear. Roger, blood pressure starting now. I have lost sight of the balloon at this minute. Perhaps. Also, Bermuda, the balloon not only oscillates in tones, in pitch and it also seems to oscillate in and out toward the capsule. But sometimes the line will be caught, other times it's quite loose. Now about 50 degrees off of the flight path. Pictures of world taken just east of Bermuda. Now the balloon line is tight. At 1:45:30, I have turned the cabin or the suit water valve all the way off and back up to 1. Now the fuel quantity warning light in preparation for the dark side. I think also excess cabin water I'll tape. It's not a satisfactory lighting arrangement to Hello, Canary Capcom, Aurora 7, loud and clear, how me? Aurora 7, this is Canary Capcom, not noise, over. Hello, Canary Capcom, Aurora 7, loud and clear, how me? Roger, Canary, my status is good. The capsule status is good. My control mode is automatic, gyros normal, maneuver off, fuel 5168, oxygen 85-100. My cabin steam vent temperature now is picking up and reading about 19. Suit steam vent temperature still reading 70. I have backed it off to 0 and reset it at 1. Over. temperature is climbing back up to 19, over. Roger. Have you been doing this drift flight? Over. That is Roger. I did quite a bit of drifting flight on the dark side over Woomer and Canton, over. Roger. Did you observe any haze layers? Over. Roger. I did observe haze layers, but not the ones that were separated from the horizon that we expected and that John reported. I'll keep a sharp lookout next time and try to see them after sunset. On the light side, there is nothing more than the bright iridescent blue layer which separates the actual horizon from the deep black of space, over. About your auto fuel and manual fuel consumption. They are the main try and conserve your fuel. Roger. Tell them I am concerned also. I will try and conserve fuel. Aurora 7, I do not want you. Canary Capcom, over. Roger, Canary, copied your message, over. Roger, understand talking message regarding fuel and consumption. That is Roger. Surgeon has requested a blood pressure transmission. Blood pressure is coming your way now. Roger. Roger. That's good to hear. Roger. The balloon is oscillating through an arc of about 100 degrees. It gets out of view frequently. At this moment, it's nearly vertical, like a coastal passage at this time. It seems to, what I'm trying to tell you is it oscillates 180 degrees above and below, over. It also oscillates in and out. Sometimes the line is tight and other times it is not. When I look over to the right side, I have the sensation that hello. This is Connell. How do you read? Over. Hello, Connell. Aurora 7 loud and clear. How me? you loud and clear, Helmy. Roger, my status is good. Fuel rate 5-1 and 6-9. Oxygen is 8-4 and 100. Cabin pressure is holding good. All DC and AC power is good. The only thing to report regarding the flight plan is that fuel levels are lower than expected. My control mode now is ASCS. I expended my extra fuel in trying to orient after the night side. I think this is due to conflicting requirements of the flight plan. I should have taken time to orient and then work with other items. I think that by remaining in automatic, I can stop this excessive fuel consumption. And the balloon is sometimes visible and sometimes not visible. I haven't any idea where it is now. And it doesn't seem to, it seems to wander with abandon back and forth. And that's all, Colonel. Roger, Roger, blood pressure is on the air. Roger, I feel fine. Last time around, someone told me it was 102. I don't feel, like I'm that hot. Cabin temperature is 101. I'm reading 101, and the suit temperature indicates 7-4. Slightly on my forehead. Since turning down the suit water valve, the suit steam vent temperature has climbed slightly. I'm increasing from 1 to 2 at this time. This should bring it down. The cabin steam vent temperature has built back up to 40. my manual and fly-by-wire thruster operation on the dark side, and just approaching sunrise. I think that I can cut down the fuel consumption considerably on the second and third orbits. Over. Roger, understand. All right, Roger. Say again, please. At this time, food bag is a problem. Actually, the food bag is not a problem. The food inside it is. It's crumbled. I can't open the bag for fear the crumbs will get all through the capsule. Things are very quiet. Roger, Zanzibar, loud and clear. How do you read R7? Roger, loud and clear. How many Zanzibar? 707, this is Zanzibar, Capcom's agreeable. Do you have a short report for it? Roger. My status is good. The capsule status is good. My control mode is automatic. Gyros are normal. Maneuver is off. Control fuel is 5.1 and 6.9. Oxygen is 8 to 2 and 100. Well, that's about all, except I have so far been unable to get my suit steam vent temperature down much below 70. Steam vent So the water control valve setting at this time is 4 at the pre-launch mark. It may be too high. Turning it off at this time and going to 3, which is where the cabin is set. Over. Roger, I have them. The balloon is out. I don't see any reason for not leaving it on through the dark side. And I just saw a particle going by at about 2 or 3 feet per second. Oh, I got a 10. According to the flight plan, you're supposed to get a follow about now, and you said you're also on mode. I was wondering if you plan to go through with it. Over. That is negative. I think that the fact that I'm low on fuel dictates I stay on auto as long as fuel consumption on automatic is not excessive. Over. Congratulations on your trip so far, and I'm glad everything is up. Thank you very much. I now have the wide blue horizon band. It looks to be, at this time, taxiway lapse 207, to be about the diameter underneath the sun. It seems to be the same thickness underneath the sun as the sun's diameter. North and south, it becomes less distinct and wider. It stands up farther from the horizon. Negative, I think everything is going quite well. Roger, we'll be waiting out. Roger, see you next time. This is Indian. Roger, Indian Camp, come loud and clear on me. Roger. Loud and clear. We have had some bit of trouble on your previous run. We just got a message from the case. Fuel. I monitored part of your transmission as I'm about to understand your situation. Oh, that is Roger. And do you have retro sequence times for 2 Delta, 2 Echo, and Golf? That is negative. I have the nominals. Roger. 2 Delta and 2 Echo are still nominal. Area Golf is 030029. 030029. Roger, 030029. Roger, Aurora 7, I read you loud and clear. Do you have any comments for the... Roger. That is Roger. I believe we may have some automatic mode difficulty. Let me check fly-by-wire a minute. All thrusters are okay. Roger. However, the gyros do not seem to be indicated properly. Roger. And that is not correct either. The gyros are okay, but on ASCS, stand by, it may be an orientation problem. I'll orient visually and see if that will help out the ASCS problem. is on the air now. Roger. Blood pressure is coming through fine. Your blood pressure is coming through fine. Oh, Roger. That is negative, except this problem with steam vent temperature. I'll open the visor a minute. That'll cool. Seems cooler with the visor open. Roger, did you take xylose? That is negative. I will do so now. Roger. Roger. Fly-by-wire checked. All thrusters are okay. Roger. This is Indian Capcom. I do not read your transmission. Roger. Indian Capcom, Aurora 7. Record only, and I am getting warm now. I don't know what to do with the cabin. turn it up and see what happens. I have gotten badly behind in the flight plan now. Okay, evaluating capsule stability at this time. The capsule is most stable. I seem to be able to put it at 0 rates. All right, I will do that now. At capsule elapse 217.32, I will 0 out all rates. That's as close to 0 as I can make it. At 217.49, my rates are 0 and attitudes are 0 plus or 0, minus 3 and minus 48. I'll let those rest a while, and I'll see what we can do about suit temperature. Cabin is rising. Suit temperature seems to be rising too. I'm going to let it go until 225 to see if this is going to bring it down some. I don't need the exercise. I really don't feel I need the exercise. I would get too warm. We'll be hitting Mercury shortly. Have a slight pitch up rate this time at 219.13. I'll 0 that out now. Fly-by-wire, have a slight yaw left rate. I'll 0 out now. Attitudes at this time are minus 30. Both buses are okay. Let's see. Number 2 battery is down to 22. 1 is 24. 3 is 24. Standby 1 and 2 are 24. Isolated is 27. Main is 23. IBU is 27. 2 is now up. Main battery number 2 is up. I am over the dark side now. The moonrise has not occurred. And although I still see the lighted area from the setting sun behind us. I do have the phase layer at this time. It seems to be brighter. And it's good to open the cabin, open the visor. The reticle now extinct at about 5.6. Hello, Music Capcom, Aurora 7 loud and clear on me.
See loud and clear also. What's your status?
Roger, my status is good. The control mode is fly by wire. Gyro's normal. Maneuver off. Fuel is 45670. That's 4570. And the oxygen is 84100. I have only one minor problem, and that is my inability to get the suit steam vent temperature down.
Yeah, what's it running now?
Well, I'm reading 70. I'm really a little at a loss as to how to get it down. My suit water valve is set now past the marks. This doesn't seem to bring it down, and neither does putting it... negative, that's wrong. The cabin was past the marks. The suit temperature is at the pre-launch value of about 4. I'm going to go to a setting of +6 at this time and see if that'll bring it down below 70. Over.
Okay, fine. We're going to get 4 feet, which is a bit high.
Roger, my gauge shows 776 on the suit. Right.
Okay, I've been doing a couple of retro times here. You have area C dog nominal. Golf is 0229. Hotel 042226.
Roger, understand 26.
And shooting your clock is still 1 second. Slow.
Roger.
CMT Max is 151042. Mark.
Roger, I'm right on, and so is the backup.
Alright, could you send us a temperature, please?
Starting. Roger, starting now.
Communications are you using at this time?
I am on UHF high, dude.
That's right, right. If you try using your light button once instead of the box, see how it comes in?
Roger. As soon as I get through the blood pressure. I can do it now. This is using the push to talk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How now? Roger. Is modulation pretty good?
Very good.
Roger. Capsule stability peak is very, very good. I've noticed that I can put in a 1 degree per second rate on the needles just by moving heads and arms. My head and arms, over.
Very good. The information will be no failure to rumor out as fast, since the cloud cover won't allow you to see them anyway.
Roger, I was unsuccessful last time.
Okay, I'm going to send you a Z-file at this time.
Roger.
Mark. Z-file coming off.
Roger.
And without file.
Roger. Blood pressure stop.
Yes, we'll take the stop over here. We're going to oscillate our cell a couple of times here and attempt to reset our temperature problem.
Roger.
Okay, our cell off. We suggest you go to manual at this point and conserve your auto fuel low at this point.
Roger. Going to manual now.
Roger.
At this time, I'm reading 4570 on fuel.
I understand. 4570.
Cabin temperature is 107.
Cabin 107.
Roger, give me the whole lot of them, or the ones that are coming. Give me rise, set, and rise.
Will do. Next sunrise will be 025000.
Roger, copy.
Set 024120.
Roger.
Sunrise 041900.
Roger. Copy.
Sounds like you're doing real well up there, man.
Roger, it's a little warm.
Just like so. Been riding the horse the last couple of days.
Good.
The information informs that if we don't stay on manual for quite a spell here, we'll probably have to end this orbit.
I'll be sure and stay on manual.
Alright. A lot of drift left here yet too.
Say again.
The drift capability left yet too.
Roger.
Did you see any lights over the area?
I did. That is Roger. I did see some lights. I couldn't identify them, however.
Understand. You ever see the readout on your steam temperature?
It may have gone down just a tad. It's about 0 now. About 70 now. It was a little bit higher. Visor is closed and I'm beginning to feel a little cooler.
Very good. Indicator 2 degrees out, then speed inlet, so it sounds like you're making out a bit.
Roger. My control mode now, Deke, is manual. Gyro is free, and the maneuver is off.
I understand manual, gyro free, and maneuver off.
Roger. around it since it got dark. It rambles quite a bit. It's not inflated fully, and it doesn't stretch out on the line tight like I expected. It bounces in and out and oscillates up and down and sideways. I have no good densitometer readings yet. Hello, Wilbur. Aurora 7, loud and clear. How me?
Roger, you are loud and clear also. We copied your transmission on the thing. I understand you still have the balloon on. Is that affirmative?
That is affirmative. I have the balloon on. However, I haven't seen it for some time. It wanders quite a bit, and I do not have it in sight at this moment. I believe that it might be visible against the Earth's background at this time.
Oh, Roger. Can we see the balloon at all?
I am faced the wrong way and am limited in the maneuverability I have left because of my fuel state. I can see the terminator between moonlit side and on the moonlit side. Over.
Oh, Roger. I understand. You're on manual control.
That is correct. My control mode is manual, gyros free, maneuver off. Over.
Oh, Roger. Could you give us cabin temperature?
Roger. Cabin temp is 102 at this time.
Oh, Roger. What is the temperature?
Okay. Stand by. Suit temperature is 7.4. Suit steam exhaust is 7.1.
All right, I understand. Are you feeling a little more comfortable?
I don't know. I'm still warm and still perspiring, but I'm not really uncomfortable. I would like to nail this suit temperature problem down. For all practical purposes, it's uncontrollable as far as I can see.
All right, I understand. You might have to wait a few more minutes before this takes effect. You are on limit. Is that right?
That is right. Suit temperature is number 6.
It was reported that your suit temperature has dropped 2 degrees over station. Is that any encouragement to you?
Roger, thank you, it is.
Oh, Roger. Have you taken any food inside?
Yes, I have. However, the food has crumbled badly, and I hate to open the package anymore. Fear of getting crumbs all over the capsule. I can verify that eating bite-sized food as we packaged for this flight is no problem at all. Even the crumbly foods are eaten with no problem.
All Roger. How about water?
I have taken 4 swallows at approximately this time last orbit. As soon as I get the suit temperature pegged a little bit, I'll open the visor and have some more water. Over.
You are still coming in very loud and clear.
Roger.
Not at this time.
one of the labels for a fuse switch has slipped out and sideways and has tied the adjoining fuse switch together with it. This happened to emergency main and reserve deploy fuse switches. I am paged to gyros. They are too critical. I will try and navigate on the dark side without the gyros. The fuse switch labels should be glued in better, so turning off one fuse does not turn off the adjoining one. I better try to get that xylose pill out. I hate to do this. There he is. There is the xylose pill. It didn't melt. All the rest of the stuff in here did melt. Okay, the xylose pill being consumed at 241.35. The rest of the food is pretty much of a mess. Can't stand this cabin temperature. 7 read you loud and clear, homie. Don, Capcom, read you loud and clear. If you begin with your start report, please. Roger, George. My control mode is manual. The gyros are caged. Maneuver is off. Fuel is 4.5 and 6.4. A little ahead of schedule. Oxygen reads 82,100. Steam vent temperature in the suit is dropping slightly. It's a little below 70. Cabin is 4.6. Suit temperature has dropped down to about 71 now. All the power is good, and here is a blood pressure. Over. Please stand by for blood pressure. We are receiving blood pressure check. Over. Roger. You plan on eating and call for blood. Over. I did have the visor open short time ago for the xylose pill. All of the rest of the food that I have aboard has either crumbled or melted. It's unusable in its present state, so I think the xylose pill will constitute my last zero-G meal. However, the first one, before the food crumbled, was quite easy. It's no problem to eat this bite-sized food in a weightless state. I also drank some water at that time, which was no problem. Roger. I take it from what you said, then, that you have confirmed that your faceplate is closed for the descent on the third orbit? That is correct. My faceplate is closed. Also, what is the trend of my cabin pressure on the ground? Over. Stand by, please. Oh, you want blood pressure or EKG? We lost the EKG. Possibly you can press on something on those sensors. Okay, surgeon reported for that the EKG is now returning. Your other question, cabin pressure is staying at 5.1 approximately. Roger. No change in reading since launch, is that correct? Negative on that, and it's gone from 5.8 at launch to approximately 5.1 in a very, very gradual descending trend. Roger. My cabin pressure indicator is reading 4.8 at this time. Roger. I have no comment on that. The trend appears to be good here on the ground. Roger. Do you have any specific comments on your balloon experiment? The contrast with... Yes, I would say the day glow orange is the best. For your information, the second sunrise should be expected approximately 3 to 4 minutes. Roger, thank you. Everything continues to look very good here on the ground. I've got a reading here on the ground for cabin pressure. This, for your information, is 4.8. Now this does set up considerably. The seat pressure comes in at 4.9. Roger. We find now that the O2 partial pressure is fluctuating slightly and hanging around 4.2. O2 partial pressure is fluctuating. Over. Roger. Copy, George. Thank you. As I said before, everything looks very good here. Surgeon is asking me here for you to try another blood pressure. Is it? Negative. I won't be able to hold still for it now. I've got the sunrise to worry about. Dropping. so you can see it. Roger, Hawaii, Aurora 7 loud clear, how many?
Aurora 7, this is Chief Kerma. Can you give me a short report, please?
Roger, my control mode is manual gyros, caged, maneuver off, standby 1, my status is good and the capsule status is good. I want to get some pictures of the sunrise, over.
Roger, give me a fuel report, please.
Roger, fuel is 4562, over.
Roger, 4562.
Roger.
Aurora 7, did you drink over can time? Did you drink any water over can time?
That is negative. I will do shortly.
Roger, Sergeant. Advisable.
Roger.
Do you have an auto fuel warning light?
That is right. I have reported it, and I believe I reported it a long time ago. It's covered with tape at the moment.
Roger.
Roger, thank you.
Temperature, exhaust. Steam exhaust.
Roger, suit exhaust is 70. Cabin exhaust is 49.
Roger.
Roger, wait one. I have some more of the white particles in view below the capsule. They appear to be traveling exactly my speed. There is one drifting off. It's going faster than I am, as a matter of fact.
Roger, understand.
I haven't seen the great numbers of these particles, but I've seen a few of them. Their motion is random. They look exactly like snowflakes to me.
Roger, have you tried return?
Negative. Let me get within scanner limits first.
Thank you.
I must adjust my attitude to within scanner limits first.
Roger.
are some more of those little particles. They definitely look like snowflakes this time.
Roger, I'm seeing your particles look like definite snowflakes.
However,
Sir?
Roger, blood pressure start now. I have the balloon now pretty steadily below me, not oscillating. And I'll go to gyros normal. Gyros normal now.
Roger, can you indicate your zero pitch? Hello, it's Scott with that LOS. Can you hear me?
Hello, Carol Comtech, Aurora 7, loud and clear, how me? Hello, California Comtech, Aurora 7, loud and clear, how me?
Yeah, we can hear loud and clear also. Stand by for Capcom.
Roger.
Aurora 7, California. How do you read?
Hello, Al, loud and clear, how me?
Is your loud, Scotty? Short report?
Roger, control mode is manual gyros, normal maneuver off, fuel is 4550, balloon is out, oxygen 81100, and my status is good. The capsule status is good, except I'm unable to get a reasonable steam exhaust temperature, still reading 70, over.
Roger, it seems to me as long as suit inlet is going down, that you should continue to increase flow until you feel comfortable.
Roger.
I understand you go for orbit 3.
I am 3. Roger, I am go for orbit 3.
7, this is California.
Go California.
General Craft is still somewhat concerned about auto fuel. Use no auto fuel unless you have to apply to regular sequence time. And I think maybe you might increase flow to your inverter heat exchanger to try to bring the temperatures down. They are not critical yet, however.
Roger, I've gone from 4 to 5 on the inverter at this time. And I think I'll increase just a tad on the suit.
Roger, you're sounding good here. Give you a period of quiet while I send VNRCal.
Roger.
Seven, this is California, sending VCal on my mark.
Roger.
1, 5. VCal off.
Roger.
Stand by for RCal. 3, 2, 1.
All right, now I'm beginning to get all of those various particles. They're way out. I can see some that are 100 feet out.
Roger, RCal off.
They all look like snowflakes to me. They do not glow of their own accord.
Roger, 7. Have you perspire or have you stopped perspiring at the moment?
No, I'm still perspiring. Yeah, I think I'll open up the visor and take a drink of water.
Roger, sounds like a good idea. Seven, would you give us a blood pressure, please, in between swallows?
Okay, there's your blood pressure. I took about 20 swallows of water. Tasted pretty good.
Roger, 7. We're getting Alpha times and hotel. You have hotel, I know. How about 3 Alpha?
Roger, and mark now a tensiometer reading. It's as tight as I've seen the string. Mark another tensiometer reading.
Roger, we have those.
Now, say again your last question.
Do you have 3 Alpha of 031100?
031100.
That is correct.
Roger, copy.
California. Do you still read?
Roger, loud and clear.
Roger, we have no further info. See you next time.
Roger.
Roar 7, Wymus, Capcom.
Hello, Wymus, go ahead.
Roger, we're reading you loud and clear. We'd like to conduct a wobulator test here. We use white sands whenever they give us the word.
Roger. I have one at the yaw gyro on the stop at this time.
Your wobulator on now?
Yes, the wobulator is on.
Roger. What was that on your yaw?
I have the yaw needle on the 250 stop.
Roger.
I will not cage until after I get rid of the balloon, and then I can start a slow yaw to the left to pick it off of the stop.
Roger. Roger, can you turn your wobulator on now and leave it on?
Roger, it has been on and I have touched it.
Roger, understand.
You want it off?
Your wobulator on now?
Yes, the wobulator is on.
Roger. What was that on your yaw?
I have the yaw needle on the 250 stop.
Roger.
I will not cage until after I get rid of the balloon, and then I can start a slow yaw to the left to pick it off of the stop.
Roger. Roger, can you turn your wobulator on now and leave it on?
Roger, it has been on and I have touched it.
Roger, understand.
You want it off?
Roger, on and off at approximately 20-second intervals.
Okay, wobulator going off now.
Roger, we're relaying that.
Am I in a position to do a 360 roll for them this time?
Here's your 00 yaw. You do have a yaw for them.
Could we do this 360 roll this pass at White Sands? Sort of.
Roger, 7, keep Capcom.
Roger, Cape loud and clear, and break, Wymus, the wobulator is back on now. Roger, Cape, go ahead.
Roger, 472 Capcom back on ECAP. Give me your report.
Roger, control mode manual, gyros normal. The maneuver switch is off, fuel is 45. Oxygen is 70, or correction. Oxygen is 80, and 100. Suit temperature is 6.8 now and coming down pretty well. Suit steam event temperature is 6.9 and beginning to be a little more comfortable. Over.
Roger. And how do you feel now?
I feel pretty good. Still warm.
Oh, sure. Sounds like you'll be all right. And your normal release time would be 3 plus 3/4, Scott.
3 plus 3/4, Roger.
Roger, can you describe the balloon and its actions a little bit?
Yes. It has a random drift. There is no oscillation that I can predict whatsoever. The line leading to the balloon sometimes is tight, sometimes is loose enough so that there are loops in it. Its behavior is strictly random as far as I can tell. The balloon is not inflated well either. It's an oblong shape out there rather than a round figure, and I believe when the sun is on it, the day-glow orange is the most brilliant, and the silver. That's about all I can tell you, Gus.
Roger, surgeons suggest that you drink as much water as you can, drink it as often as you can.
Roger.
The rapture sequence times are 3D and 3C are nominal.
3D and 3C nominal, Roger.
And we recommend you go to normal on your gyros with the maneuver switch off.
Roger, the gyros are normal and the maneuver switch is off.
Roger. What you do with your temperature control valve setting, please?
Roger, suit is 7.5. Cabin is about 10. That's 10 on the cabin and 5 on the inverters, over.
Roger. Stand by for a seat, Cal.
Roger, standing by.
Hi, Cal.
Mark a tensiometer reading. It's as tight as it gets.
Capcom.
Go ahead, Capcom.
Drifting flight, yes.
Say again.
Have you done any drifting flight?
That is Roger. And if I'm to save fuel for a retro sequence, I think I better start again, over.
Roger, I agree with you.
My control mode is now manual gyros are caged, and I will allow the capsule to drift for a little while.
Roger, and John suggests you try to look back towards the darkness at sunrise to see those particles.
Towards the darkness.
Roger, at sunrise, try to look towards the darkness.
Okay, I have done that, and tell him no joy.
Roger. Roy 7, are you in drifting flight?
That is Roger.
Roger.
I am looking down almost vertically. It's possible to distinguish, I believe, 4 separate cloud layers.
710.
balloon. I'll maneuver enough to get the balloon out in trail so I can photograph its departure.
Oh, Roger.
I incidentally have those little particles visible in the periscope at this time.
I can understand the periscope. Roy 7, Capcom.
Roger, go ahead.
We're fairly happy with your fuel speed now. We'd like you not to let you get down below 40%.
Roger, I'll try. I have balloon jettison on and off, and I can't get rid of it.
I understand if you can't get rid of the balloon.
That is right. It will not jettison.
Okay.
Go ahead, Capcom. Okay, fuel is 4542. Blood pressure on the air. I have the particles visible still, streaming aft, but within an arc of maybe 120 or 30 degrees.
Capcom, say again.
Roger, I have these particles drifting aft again, but they do not parallel the line to the balloon. Exactly, they drift aft within an arc of maybe 120 to 130 degrees.
Roger. Roy 7, Capcom, can you give us a comment on the zero-G experiment?
Roger, at this moment, the fluid is all gathered around the standpipe. The standpipe appears to be full, and the fluid outside the standpipe is about halfway up. There is a rather large meniscus, I'd say about 60-degree meniscus.
Roy 7, Capcom, let your last message if you can.
Roger. The standpipe is full of the fluid. Fluid is halfway up the outside of the standpipe. Rather large meniscus, an angle of about 60 degrees, over. Hello, Canary Capcom, Aurora 7, reading you loud and clear. HF transmitting. HF, how do you read? Over. Roger, Canary Capcom, reading you loud and clear. HF, copy, over. These pictures of the small groups of closely knit clouds are just south of Canary, third orbit. This must be crossing IPCZ. I have never seen weather quite like this. I have the Bose meter out at this time. Hello. Hello, Canary Capcom, Aurora 7, reading you loud and clear. How many? Aurora 7, this is Canary Capcom. Did you read? Over. Go ahead, Canary, reading you loud and clear. I am in the record-only position now. I think the best answer to the autokinesis is that there is none. I notice none. And I tend to align a horizontal with my head. It's a horizontal line under 0G is a line parallel to the line drawn between your eyes. I don't get autokinesis. I don't get now wait a minute, maybe I'm beginning to. introductory mark that at 3:26:43, I have in the sky, at any time, 10 particles. They do not appear to glow to me. They appear to be little pieces of frost. However, some appear to be way, way far away. There are two that look like they might be 100 yards away. I haven't operated a thruster now for some time. Here are two. In closer. Now, a densiometer reading on these that are in close. They extinct at 5.5. The elapsed time is 3:27:39. I am unable to see any stars in the black sky at this time. These little snowflakes are clearly visible. The cabin temperature has dropped considerably now, and the setting I have on the suit is 7. I'm going to increase it just a tad more. My suit water valve temperature now is about 8. Hello, Colonel Copcom. Aurora 7 reading you loud and clear. How me? I notice that every time I turn over to the right, things seems vertical. But I am upside down. Now, for the record, I still feel that I could very easily feel like I'm coming in on my back. I could very easily come in from another planet and feel that I am on my back, and that the Earth is up above me. But that's sort of the way you feel when you come out of a split S, or out of an Immelman. How about your reading you, Kano, loud and clear, blood pressure start at this time. Visor is coming close now. finally, at this time, I've taken the big back off of the camera and trying to get some more MIT film at this time. The filter is in. The cassette is in the camera. The zero-G sensations are wonderful. This is the first time I've ever worn the suit and had it comfortable. I don't know which way I'm pointed and don't particularly care. Roger. At this time I'm hearing Turno calling for a blood pressure check. I will give it to him now. Let's see, I have fuel 4543. He would like to get just a little rate. Just a little one. Let's see. You want to go back that way. I can't see any relationship between thruster actions and the fireflies. Mark MIT pictures at 3:35:46. Crank 2 by. At infinity. Coastal passage over Africa. and clear. Hear me? Roger, loud and clear. Hear me, Indian Capcom?
Aurora 7, this is Indian Capcom. I did not read all of your transmission, but the part I monitored was loud and clear. Go ahead.
Hey, Roger, my status is good. The capsule status is good. I am in drifting flight on manual control. Gyros are caged. The fuel reads 4542. Oxygen 79100. Steam vent temperatures both read 65 now. Suit temperature has gone down nicely. It is now 62. And all the power is good. The blood pressure is starting at this time. I've just finished taking some MIT pictures. And that is all I have to report at this time.
Roger, Aurora 7. I copy your control mode manual at gyros caged, fuel 4542, oxygen 79100, and I did not hear the last part of your transmission. How do you...
Roger, my status is good. The suit temperature has reduced considerably. Steam vent temperatures now reach 69 on cabin and suit. Suit temperature is 62, and cabin temperature is 101. Over.
Roger, suit temperature 62 and cabin temperature 101. Your blood pressure is starting. And understand you are on the manual. Understand also you were drifting for a while.
That is Roger. I am on manual control. I am allowing the capsule to drift. Over.
Roger.
Also, another departure from the plan is the fact that I have been unable to jettison the balloon. The balloon is still attached. Should be no problem.
Roger, understand no problem expected, but balloon still attached. Stand by. Aurora 7, this is Indian Capcom. All our retro sequence times are nominal. Do you want me to call them out to you?
Negative. I have them all. Thank you.
Aurora 7, your last transmission was unreadable. You are fading badly, although intermittently. I will read the retro sequence times in the blind. Area 3 Delta 041232. 041232. 042227. 3 Echo 042227. And the last we have is 043226, which now, and your capsule clock is still within 1 second.
Roger, Tino. I copied all that.
Roger, Aurora, you were loud and clear.
The sunsets are most spectacular. The Earth is black. After the sun has set, the Earth is black. The first band close to the Earth is red. The next is yellow. The next is blue. The next is green. And the next is sort of a purple. It's almost like a very brilliant rainbow. It extends at
Yes, Capcom, I check you see about all colors between the horizon and the night sky. You seem to see more layers than French is 7.
Roger, these layers extend from at 90 degrees either side of the sun at sunset.
Aurora 7, I did not hear your whole sentence. Will you repeat, please? Over.
Roger, this bright horizon band extends at least 90 degrees north and south of the position of the sunset.
Roger, understand. About the balloon, does Mercury Control Center know you did not?
Yes, I tried to release it over their station and was unable to do so. You might remind them that the balloon is still on.
Roger, Aurora 7, understand. Aurora 7, Indian Capcom, your inverter temperatures are 183 for the 150 and 195 for the 250. All your other parameters check out okay on telemetry.
Roger, thank you very much.
Aurora, Tom, do you read over?
Go ahead, Indian Capcom.
Medical monitor says that we are reading your respiration. I believe this is almost the first time it's come across.
That's very good. I guarantee I'm breathing.
Roger, understand.
The eye patch is in place this time. Going to record. Record only at this time. At 3 hours and 48 minutes, 51 seconds elapsed. I'm taking a good swig of water. It's pretty cool this time. Stretching my legs a tad. It's quite dark. I'm in drifting flight. Oh boy, it feels good to get that leg stretched out. Do that with the right one too. I drank an awful lot of water. And I'm still thirsty, as a matter of fact. I think there is a leak in the urinal, I'm sure. Okay, light touch. Okay, I'm shaking my head violently from all sides with eyes closed. Up and down, pitch, roll, yaw. Nothing in the stomach, nothing anywhere. There is. Now I will try to poke time zero button. Well, I missed it. I was a little disoriented as to exactly where things are. Not sure exactly what you want to accomplish by this, but there is no problem of orienting your inner ear and your mental appraisal of horizontal. You just adapt to this environment like you were born in it. It's a great freedom. Don't let me forget about the shiny finish on the star chart. Makes it very hard to read. At 3:53. I'm using the photometer now. To try and get a reading I saw come up. Now it's the balloon that I see. Still drifting aimlessly. Lighted by moonlight this time. None of the colors are particularly visible, I think. Excess cabin water light is on at this time. 356.24. I'm going to turn it down just a tad. So it'll be just about where the suit is. I would say, let's see, from that it jumped down to freezing. Hello, BJ, Capcom Aurora 7, loud and clear. I'll be
Coming in loud and clear.
All right, Roger, Dick. My control mode is manual. Gyros are caged. The maneuver switch is off. My fuel reads at 4.5 and to 4.2. The oxygen is reading 7.6 and 100. Steam vent temperatures are 6.8 on the suit, and I just got excess cabin water light. The needle dropped down to 20. I've reset cabin water at about 6, and in this capsule it seems optimum settings are right between 6 and 7. Outside of that, all systems are good, and the blood pressure is starting now. The visor has been open for some time. I've been taking some readings on stars in front of the haze layer with the photometer. The visor is coming closed now.
I understand visor coming closed. Okay, I'll give you retro time for end of mission, and we'd like to have you set the clock to this at this time.
Roger.
3234.
Understand, 043234.
Release.
Okay, it's going into the clock now. Foot. I did too, overshot standby. For you, to the second. Roger, I am reading 043234.
Would you please exercise prior to your second blood pressure?
Roger, I'll give you the calibrated exercise at this time. Exercise starts now. Okay, blood pressure start now. That was 60 cycles in 30 seconds on the exerciser.
60 cycles in 30 seconds. Did you by any chance try TNT over the cape on your last pass?
I think I may have to mark time for tensiometer reading on the balloon.
Very good. I understand you still have the balloon with if you go to deploy position and back to release, you can...
Roger, I've tried that a number of times, Deke. I just can't get rid of it.
Okay, well, if you'll probably come in your face on retro flag, and I'm sure you'll lose it just after that.
I figure. I hope so.
Okay, the information class is 5 tenths, and it's only 1/8 to the north of the Port Morrissey, so if you see some lights up in that area, let you know about it.
Roger, I'll let you know. Roger, CEP on my mark will be 4 hours, 1 minute, 35 seconds. Stand by. Mark 4:01:35.
Yeah, just say 1 second off, that's fine. Thanks for your call to have a drink of water over here.
Roger, I have had 3 long drinks of water. The last one was, I think about 10 minutes ago, Dick.
Probably loaded for me,
Roger. Roger, Dick. The haze layer is very bright. I would say 8 to 10 degrees above the real horizon, and I would say that the haze layer is about twice as high above the horizon as the bright blue band at sunset is. It's twice as thick. Stars are occluded as they pass through this haze layer. I have a good set of stars to watch going through at this time. I'll try and get some photometer readings.
I understand it's twice as sunset.
It is not twice as thick. It's thinner, but it is located at a distance about twice as far away as the top of the band at sunset. It's there now, and as bright as the horizon of the Earth itself. This is a reading on Fecca in the Big Dipper prior to entry into the haze layer. It includes it is extinct at roughly 2.5. The vertical extincts at 5.5 p.m. mark for the time in the middle of the haze layer. Stand by.
This is Wilmer, Capcom. On your radio.
Roger, stand by, Wilmer.
Roger, stand by.
In the middle of the haze layer, Fecca will not, I can't even get a reading on a photometer. Fecca is now below the horizon, or below, and Mark, about 5 seconds ago now, it emerged from the brightest part of the haze layer. It is now clearly visible. Wilmer, my status is very good. Fuel is 45 and 42. Stand by, I'll give you a full report very shortly.
All right, standing by.
5 Roger, Wilmer, loud and clear.
You say visor.
That's negative. I did not open it until, I won't open it until I get through with these readings. Second now extinct at 1.7 in the mid position between the haze layer and the Earth. Okay, Wilmer, my status is very good. The suit temperature is coming down substantially. Steam vent temperature is not down much, but the suit environment temperature is 60. I'm quite comfortable. Cabin temperature is 101. Cabin is holding an indicated 48. Oxygen is 75,100. All DC power continues to be good. 20 amps. Both AC buses are good. Fuel reads 4.6 and 4.0. I am in drifting flight. I have had plenty of water to drink. The visor is coming open now. And blood pressure is coming your way at this time. Hello, Wilmer, Capcom. This is Aurora 7. Did you copy my last, over? In the middle of the haze layer, Secca will not, I can't even get a reading on a trailer photometer. Secca is now below the horizon, or below, and marked about 5 seconds ago now. It emerged from the brightest part of the haze layer. It is now clearly visible. Wilmer, my status is very good. Fuel is 45 and 42. Stand by, I'll give you a full report very shortly.
All right, standing by.
Visor coming open.
Roger, visor open.
good. The suit temperature is coming down substantially. Steam vent temperature is not down much, but the suit environment temperature is 60. I'm quite comfortable. Cabin temperature is 101. Cabin is holding an indicated 48. Oxygen is 75100. All DC power continues to be good. 20 amps. Most AC buses are good. Fuel reads 46 and 40. I am in drifting flight. I have had plenty of water to drink. The visor is coming open now. And blood pressure is coming your way at this time. Hello, Wilmer, Capcom, this is Aurora 7. Did you copy my last, over? Cabin water flow is all the way off and reducing back to about 7.5 now, a little bit less. At this time, cabin steam vent going to report only. Cabin steam vent is 10, suit steam vent is 6.2. I'd like to have a little bit more pad on the temperature, but I can't seem to get it. The suit temperature is 60. The cabin temperature continues at 102. I have 22 minutes and 20 seconds left for retrofire. I think that I will try to get some of this equipment stowed at this time. Looks no different. Here than it does on the ground. Visor is open and the visor is coming closed now at this time. put the moon in the center of the window, and it just drifts very, very little. Seems to be a stagnant place in my helmet. The suit is cool, but along my face it's warm. And there is Scorpio. All right, let's see. It's very interesting to remark that my attitude is roughly pitch up plus 30, roll right 130, and yaw left 20. The balloon at this time is moving right along with me. It's keeping a constant bearing at all times. There is the horizon band again, this time from the moonlit side. Let me see, with the airglow filter, it's very difficult to do this because of the light from that time correlation clock. Eyes are coming open now. It's impossible to get dark adapted. And here with that line period is. All right, for the record, interesting, I believe, this haze layer is very bright through the airglow filter. Very bright. The time now 1744. Now, let me see, I'll get an accurate bandwidth. Now that's very handy because the bandwidth is the sun. One big balloon. Alright, bandwidth is exactly equal to the x. I can't explain it, I'll have to sunrise. Oh, beautiful lighted firefly that time. It was luminous that time. Like it's only, okay, there. All right, I have. If anybody reads, I have the fireflies. They are very bright. They are capital emanating. I can ramp the hatch and stir off hundreds of them. Snap the side of the capsule. Huge streams come out. They some appear to glow. The around the other way. Some appear to glow, but I don't believe they really do. It's just in the light of the sun. I'll try to get a picture of them. They're brilliant. I think they would easily shine through the light on the photometer. Ramp the, let's see. Taking some pictures at 428 and bulb pictures now. Here's one of the balloons. Sun is too bright now. That's where they come from. They're little tiny white pieces of frost. I judge from this that the whole side of the capsule must have frost on it. Roy 7 at the Hawaii contact. Hello, Hawaii, loud and clear. How many? Hawaii contact. 7 Hawaii contact. Arrange voluntary on KTS. Here we go. Roger, reading you loud and clear. Hawaii, how many? Roy 7, I can't hear anything. Roger, do you read me or do you not, James? You are weak, but I read you. You are readable. copied. Going to orbit attitude at this time. Roger, copy. Going to orbit attitude at this time. Roger. Roger, go ahead, Hawaii. The maneuver switch is off. Roger, are you ready to start your sequence checklist? Roger, one moment. I'm lighting my attitude, sir. Everything is fine. I have part of the stowage checklist taken care of at this time. Roger. Roger, let me get the stowage, and then you can help me with the pre-retrograde. Roger, standing by. Roger, go ahead with the checklist, and I'm coming to metro attitude now. And my control mode is automatic. And my attitude on. Standby. Wait a minute, I have a problem in I have an ASCS problem here. I think ASCS is not operating properly. Let me... Frequency retro sequence is armed, and retro manual is armed. I've got to evaluate this retro ASCS problem, Jim, before we go any further. Standing back. Make sure your emergency doors deploying emergency main fuses are off. Roger. They are. Okay, I'm going now to fly-by-wire to Oxdam, and now attitudes do not agree. 5 minutes to retrograde light is on. I have a rate of descent, too, of about 10, 12 feet per second. Have a rate of descent of about 12 feet per second. Is that right, Jerome? Yes, I am back on fly-by-wire trying to orient Roger, Jim. Go through the checklist for me.
Roger. Square switch on. Auto rotation switch off. Channel normal. Manual handle out. Roll yaw and pinch handle in.
Roll the other picture in.
Retro attitude auto. Reflex scope auto. Maneuver switch off. Transcope lever up. UHF high power. Fingers middle on UHF. Thinking continuous. Front power on fingers middle and record. All batteries checked. Copy.
Roger. It's complete.
Translating to the blind. We have LOS. Around the last time is on my mark, 4 hours, 29 minutes and 30 seconds. Mark, 4 hours, 29 minutes and 30 seconds. Just listen to the blind to roller 7. Make sure all your tone switches are on. The warning light is bright. The retro manual fuse switch is on. Retro Genesis fuse switch off. Check your face plate and make sure that it is closed. Roller 7, you copy.
Roger. Copy to all. I think we're in good shape. I'm not sure just what the status of the ASCS is at this time.
California contact.
Here, over. Hello, California contact. Loud and clear. How many?
I'm reading you loud and clear also. Stand by for Capcom. 7, this is Capcom. Are you in retro attitude?
Yes, I don't have agreement with ASCS in the window, Al. I think I'm going to have to go to fly-by-wire and use the window in the scope. ASCS is dead. I'm on fly-by-wire and manual.
All right, your weekend, sir. About 30 seconds to go. About 10 seconds on my mark.
Roger.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Retro sequence. Yes, please.
All right, you check ASCS quickly to see if orientation mode will hold. If your gyros are off, you'll have to use attitude bypass.
Gyros are off.
Right, you'll have to use attitude bypass, man, and manual override.
Roger.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Okay, fire 1, fire 2, and fire 3. I had to punch off manually. I have a little bit of smoke in the capsule.
Let's use those, Scotty.
Okay, I think they held well, Al. I think think they were good. I can't tell you what was wrong about them, because the gyros were not quite right. But retro jettison, three fuse switches are on.
All right, we should have retro jettison in about 10 seconds.
Roger. That was a nice gentle bump. All three have fired. Retro attitude was red.
All right, we should have retro jettison now.
Right then, at 34:10 on time.
All right, how much fuel do you have left, both tanks?
I have 20 and 5.
All right, I guess we better use
I'll use manual.
on re-entry unless ASC holds you in re-entry attitude.
Yes, it can. I'll have to do it with manual.
All right, I recommend you try Oxfam first. If it's not working, then go to fly-by-wire.
Okay. I'll have to do that. The balloon is gone. I am apparently out of manual fuel. I have to go to fly-by-wire to stop this tumbling.
All right, using fly-by-wire to stop tumbling. I understand RSC has to not work.
I am out of manual fuel, Al.
All right,
052 should be when?
Oh, you have plenty of time. It should be 0444 elapsed time.
Roger.
That's plenty of time. Take your time on fly-by-wire. Get into re-entry attitude.
Roger.
By just looking over your re-entry checklist, looks like you're in pretty good shape. You'll have to manually retract the scope.
No, I didn't. The scope did come in, Al.
All right, I didn't get that. Very good. How are you doing on re-entry attitude, over?
Yeah, still in a few things first. I don't know yet. Take a while. Okay. It's gonna be tight on fuel.
All right, you have plenty of time. You have about 7 minutes before 05G, so...
All right, yeah. Okay, I can make out very, very small farmland and pasture land below. I see individual fields, rivers, lakes, roads, I think. I'll get back to re-entry attitude.
87, I recommend you get close to re-entry attitude using as little fuel as possible and stand by on fly-by-wire until rates develop. Over.
Roger. Will do.
Southern, this is California. We're losing you now. Stand by for please.
Roger. Go ahead.
Roger. Do you have your face closed?
Negative. It is now, thank you.
Roger. Give me your fuel, please.
Fuel is 15 auto. I'm indicating 7 manual, but it is empty and ineffective.
Roger. You have about 2 minutes to start a blackout.
2 minutes, you say? Go ahead, Captain. Roger. It's going to be real tight on fuel, Gus. I got the horizon in view now, trying to keep rates very low. I just lost part of the balloon. The string from the balloon. Yes. We're in good shape for stowage. Roger.
The weather in the recovery area is good. We've got 4 clouds, 3-foot waves, 8 knots of wind, 10 miles visibility, and the cloud bases are 1,000 feet.
Roger.
Mercury, some more as we get out.
Roger. Roger, it's tight. Roger.
We feel you still have some manual fuel left.
Yes, but I can't get anything out of it. Roger, loud and clear. I don't have a roll rate in yet. I'll put some in when I begin to get the G build up. I only was reading 0.5 G's on the accelerometer. Okay, here comes some rates. I get the orange glow. I assume we're blackout now, Gus. Give me a try. There goes something carrying away. Okay, I'm setting in a roll rate. But this time, going to aux damp. I hope we have enough fuel. I get the orange glow at this time. AAG. Potsdam seems to be doing well. I hope holds out. There is one feed getting a few streamers of smoke. Out behind, there's some green flashes out there. The entry is going pretty well. Potsdam seems to be keeping oscillations pretty good. We're at 1.5 Gs now. There was a large flaming piece coming off. Almost looked like it came off the tower. Oh, I hope not. Okay, we're reading 3 Gs. I think we'll have to let the re-entry damping check go this time. Reading now 4 Gs. The re-entry seems to be going okay. Right there that Oxnap appears to be handling. I don't think I'm oscillating too much. Getting ready for the drogue at 45. Oscillations are pretty good. I think ASCS has given up the ghost at this point. Frequency drogue is fuse switch is coming out now to on. Roger, Aurora 7 reading okay. We're getting some pretty good oscillations now, and we're out of fuel. Looks from the sun like it might be about 45 degrees. Oh, it's coming. Looks like it's really going over. I think I better take a try of the drogue. Drogue out manually at 25. It's holding. And it was just in time main. Deploy. Fuse switch is on now. 21 indicated. Snorkel override. Now, frequency flow rate on. Frequency main. Fuse switch at 15. Standing by for the main. Fuse at 10. Cabin pressure. Cabin altimeter. Agree on altitude. Should be 13,000 now. I see the main is out and reached, and it looks good to me. The main chute is out. Landing bag goes to auto now. The drogue has fallen away. I see a perfect chute. Visor open. Cabin temperature is only 110 at this point. Helmet hose is off. Does anybody read Aurora 7, over? Hello, any Mercury recovery force? Does anyone read Aurora 7, over? Roger. Say again, you're very weak. Roger, I'm reading you. I'm on the main chute at 5,000. Status is good. I am not in contact with any recovery forces. Do you have any information on the recovery time? Over. Mercury recovery forces, how do you read Aurora 7? Over. Roger, loud and clear, Aurora 7 reading the Cape, loud and clear. How many, Gus? Gus, how do you read? Roger, understand. I'm reading. Roger, understand. 1 hour.